start exactly from this part. Bassanio's speech. That one. Antonio, I am married to a wife. Here, wife stands for Portia, which is dear to me as life itself. That means Portia is too so dear to him, just as his life. But life itself, my wife, and all the world, that means the entire world, are not with me esteemed above thy life. Here, esteem stands for valued. Thy life means your life, that means Bassanio's life. So his wife, his own life, and his everything, if we make full estimation of all those things, are not more valuable than Antonio's life. I would lose all. A, that means, yeah. Sacrifice them all here to this devil to deliver you, to release you. So I'll sacrifice everything only for one word, only for one thing, and to release Antonio from the clutches of Shylock. Shylock is often considered as devil, evil, car, and different things. These are the terms they have used not to insult Shylock, but to satisfy their hatred that they have for Shylock. Next, Portia. Your wife would give you little thanks for that. Such speech that he would like to sacrifice his wife. That means the life of his wife does not have any value to him. That will hardly make his wife happy. Portia is speaking, but they do not know it is Portia speaking. They understand this is the doctor of law speaking. If she were by, that means if she were here, the by stands for here. To hear you make the offer. Here he is making the offer that he would sacrifice everything. If such offer is made in front of her, she would be extremely sad, dissatisfied, and frustrated with such kind of statement. Because a wife would obviously expect the husband to value her to the highest extent. Gratiano, I have a wife whom I protest. I love. She also does have a wife that we all know, and it is true that he loves her very much. I would stands for I wish. She were in heaven. I wish she should go to heaven so she could entreat some power. Entreat means gain or arrange some power to change these courage due. Here power stands for heavenly power or magic. So courage due means dog like Jew. So it stands for what? That this Nerissa should die, then go to heaven, and after going to heaven arranges some magical power, and then treat this devil properly, this Shylock properly, change the mind of him. Nerissa, it is well you offer it behind her back. It is good that you have offered such thing. You wanted the death of your wife at her back. Otherwise, it would be very troublesome. The wish should make else an unquiet house. Otherwise, such kind of wish would obviously make what? Would obviously make the house unquiet or a fight between the husband and wife. Here, unquiet means quarreling. This be the Christian husband, I have a daughter. This be the Christian husband, this is the standard of Christian husband, that they want the death of their wives. Even they want to sacrifice their wife only to save a friend. I have a daughter. Would any of the stock of Barabbas, his stock stands for son, Barabbas. Barabbas is taken from gospel. Barabbas was a thief and he was in prison along with Lord Christ. And when the time came for punishment, that time it was asked that who to be punished first or who to be released. And the decision was taken Lord Jesus to be punished and Barabbas to be released. So here the thing is that Barabbas was a thief, a murderer. So he is saying it would be better to arrange marriage with Barabbas or the son of Barabbas than to have a Christian husband, because Christian husband would not value the wives. Aside, we trifle time here, we waste time here. I pray thee, I pray you, pursue sentence. That means follow. Pursue actually means follow the sentence. Let us wait for the jurisdiction. We are simply wasting time here. So here you can see since the beginning the tension that Shylock is having. The tension that he is having, he wants the jurisdiction as soon as possible. The desire of his lifetime is going to come true. Portia, a pound of that same merchant flesh is thine. That merchant means Antonio, is yours. The court awards it. The court is going to give you that. And the law does give it. And the law is also ready to give that to you. Shylock, most rightful judge. So good judge you are. And you must cut this flesh from his breast. The breast stands for breastbone, middle of the chest. The law allows it and the court awards it. You are legally awarded and you are justified by this court. Shylock, most learned judge, a sentence, come prepare. Who will come? Antonio will come and prepare. Come and prepare for the sentence. Portia, tarry a little, wait. Remember last time Portia told whom such kind of sentence, or such kind of remark Portia was made. It was made before in Act 3 Scene 2. When Portia told Bassanio to tarry a little. So whenever the term tarry comes, there should be some changes. There is something else. The bond doth give you here no jot of blood. A jot of blood, you can write drop of blood also. Okay, you are allowed to take the pound of flesh, but it is not nominated in the bond that you are allowed to take a drop of blood. The word expressly here, a pound of flesh. What you can take? A pound of flesh. Take the bond. Take your bond. Take you the pound of flesh and you take the pound of flesh. So, as Shylock followed since beginning what is written in bond, she rejected the request for a surgeon. He rejected all other things. So, Portia will also follow the thing exactly what is written here in the bond. So, here we conclude today. Go through the video properly. Finding doubt, kindly let me know. Thank you.